Letter in English. Complaint letter to police for lost mobile phone. Write a complaint letter to police for lost mobile phone. To the police officer in charge. Police station name, police station address, subject, application for loss of mobile phone. Respected sir or madam, I am writing to lodge a complaint regarding the loss of my mobile phone. My mobile phone, a mobile brand, mobile phone model, was lost on date at approximately time. The phone was color in color and had a distinguishing features, example case, screen protector. I was last seen with the phone at location. I suspect the phone might have been lost or stolen. Possible circumstances, example while traveling at public place. I have attached a copy of the phone's purchase bill and IMEI number for your reference. I request your immediate attention to this matter and kindly request you to register a complaint and initiate necessary investigation to recover my lost phone. Thank you for your prompt action. Yours sincerely, your name, your address, your contact number. Thank you friends. Please like, share and subscribe.